Imagine a fortress under siege. Skilled defenders are desperately needed, yet the ranks are alarmingly thin. That's the reality of cybersecurity today. Companies, governments, even hospitals, they're all facing a critical shortage of cybersecurity professionals. Why the shortage? What does it mean? And importantly, what can you do about it? Let's dive in. Every day, news headlines scream about data breaches, ransomware attacks, and cyber warfare. Businesses used to view cybersecurity as optional. Now, it's mission critical. The demand for skilled cybersecurity pros is skyrocketing. But supply? Not so much. It's not that people don't care about cybersecurity. Here's the problem. Myth-busting: you don't have to be a coding genius. Cybersecurity has diverse roles: risk assessment, policy, communication, even forensics. Stereotypes: tech is still seen as a guy thing. This drives away talented women and underrepresented groups. Education lags: schools are playing catch-up. Not enough programs are focused on cybersecurity specifically. This isn't abstract. The shortage has real-world impact. Vulnerable companies, businesses struggle to find the talent to protect their systems, leaving customer data at risk. Innovation-stifled companies hesitate to push tech boundaries when they're worried about security. National security: even our government lacks the experts it needs to ward off cyber warfare attacks. Sound grim? There's good news. Diverse paths, boot camps, online courses, certifications. You don't necessarily need a 4-year degree. Massive opportunity, high salaries, job security, and the chance to make a real difference. It's not just for nerds. If you're analytical, a problem solver, and have a desire to learn, this field might surprise you. Want to learn more? On-screen resources list a few websites with career info, example1.org, invalid URL removed, etc. Inspiring message: protecting our digital world takes all of us. If you're even a little curious, take the first step, explore. You might be the cybersecurity hero we need. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.